Hey, good morning. Once again, welcome to another Around the World. Today I'm here at the RORO vessel, which is the roll-on, roll-off vessel going to Guimaras. So come on, join us as we travel right here in Around the World. Okay, we just arrived. It's just only like 20 minutes to reach right here in Guimaras from Iloilo City to Guimaras in, I think this is in Jordan. Okay, we just have our breakfast right here in Guimaras branch of McDonald's. Actually, Jollibee is on the other side. And what do we have here? Oh yeah, we have Goldilocks also in front. And we're gonna drop by as 7-Eleven convenience store. Alright, we're already finished our grocery at 7-Eleven right here in Jordan, Guimaras. There. It's just only across or beside Jollibee, and of course we're heading towards the beach right now. Yay! Yay! Road trip. Time to leave and head to another location. right now I'm here at the provincial capital. Pascua sa Isla is their theme right here. And if you're wondering, is there a McDonald's and Jollibee? Yes, there is over there. That's here, right here in Jordan, Guimaras. Just right here near the provincial capital. And there is also a monument down there. You could like park right here. And if you want to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, just over there is McDonald's and Jollibee. There's a lot of changes right here in the town proper of Jordan, Guimaras. As we all know, this one is a little bit like different, like it's a little bit primitive compared to now. Even the structures are being rebuilt and try to like have the modern and updated version. So I'm going towards that area because the supposed to be the market now it is converted into McDonald's and Jollibee in front of the pit stop, and we're heading there right now. So 7-Eleven and Jollibee is on the corner right here. And then if you're asking where is McDonald's, that's just over there. 7-Eleven and Jollibee and McDonald's over there in front of pit stop. So Goldilocks is over right here and Chooks to go. Then we have the pit stop right here and the McDonald's on the other side. In front of this is the famous pit stop, the original mango pizza. So that's about it right here around Jordan, Guimaras. I hope you enjoy our video right here, just around the provincial capital and the famous market of Jordan, just over there. Now it's with actually Jollibee, McDonald's, Goldilocks, and even Chooks to go. And in front of that there's also pit stop. So if you have some questions, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. About to dock right now. It's 5:35. We're about to dock, and yeah, it's been a whole day roaming around Guimaras. And that's it for now. 4 hour around the world. Around. For done. Bye for now and see you in the next adventure. I have to get some rest.